Hello, Instagram enthusiasts. Are you ready to make your reels stand out with the hottest tracks? Today, I'm going to show you how to find trending audio on Instagram that can elevate your content and get you noticed. Let's dive into the world of viral sounds and make your reels pop. Step 1. Access the Instagram audio library first. Open your Instagram app and tap on the Reels tab at the bottom. This is your gateway to discovering a world of music and sounds. Step 2. Identify trending audio. Look for reels that have a little arrow icon next to the audio name. This arrow is your golden ticket. It means the audio is trending. Step 3. To trend or not to trend, consider whether the trending audio fits your brand or style. While trending sounds can boost your reach, staying true to your unique voice is key. Step 4. Use audio from other posts. If you find a reel with audio you love, tap on the music note icon. Then, hit the Use Audio button to start creating your own masterpiece. Step 5. Save for later. Not ready to create just yet? You can save the audio by tapping on the bookmark icon. This way, you can come back to it when inspiration strikes. And that's how you ride the wave of trending audio on Instagram. Remember, the right sound can make your reel go viral, so choose wisely and have fun creating. Until next time, keep reeling in the good vibes.